As an MTF crossdresser, presenting oneself with elegance and poise is not just about the clothes you wear but also about the overall grooming and maintenance of your appearance. A scruffy or unkempt look can significantly detract from the image you wish to project. From worn-out shoes to excessive makeup, every detail matters in creating a polished and sophisticated look. This video will guide you through transforming your appearance from unkempt to classy, ensuring you exude confidence and grace in every setting. Shoes are one of the first things people notice, and worn-out shoes can undermine an otherwise elegant appearance. Investing in a few high-quality pairs of shoes that match your wardrobe is essential. Ensure they are kept clean and polished. Regular maintenance, such as replacing worn heels and soles, can extend their lifespan. For a polished look, avoid shoes with scuffs, tears, or significant signs of wear. Remember, a pair of elegant shoes can elevate your entire outfit and add a touch of sophistication to your appearance. Hair is a major component of your overall look, and unkempt hair can quickly diminish your appearance. Regular washing and conditioning are crucial to keep your hair smelling fresh and looking neat. Regular trims will prevent split ends and keep your hairstyle looking intentional and stylish. Consider visiting a professional stylist who can recommend a hairstyle that complements your features and is easy to maintain. Additionally, using quality hair products can enhance your hair's health and appearance, giving you that polished and put-together look. Well-maintained nails are a sign of good grooming and attention to detail. Chipped and dirty nails can ruin your sophisticated image. Regular manicures, whether done at home or professionally, can keep your nails looking neat and clean. If you wear nail polish, ensure it is not chipped. Keep your nails at a manageable length and clean underneath them regularly. Using hand and nail care products can also keep your hands and nails looking their best. Remember, your hands are often visible, and well-groomed nails can significantly enhance your overall appearance. A missing tooth can be a significant detractor from an otherwise polished look. Dental health is crucial for a confident smile. If you have a missing tooth, consider dental solutions such as implants, bridges, or dentures. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential to maintain oral health and a bright smile. Good oral hygiene practices, including brushing and flossing, can prevent dental issues and ensure your smile remains a positive feature of your overall appearance. A general unkempt look can be due to a combination of factors, including poor grooming, ill-fitting clothes, and lack of attention to detail. Developing a grooming routine that includes regular haircuts, skincare, and nail care is crucial. Invest time in selecting clothes that fit well and complement your body shape. Paying attention to small details, such as ensuring your clothes are clean and pressed, can make a significant difference. A polished and put-together appearance reflects your self-respect and enhances your overall elegance. Botched cosmetic procedures can detract from your desired look and confidence. If you are considering cosmetic procedures, research thoroughly and choose qualified and reputable professionals. Consult with multiple specialists to understand the risks and benefits. If you have already undergone a procedure that did not meet your expectations, consult with a qualified professional about corrective options. Remember, less is often more when it comes to cosmetic enhancements, and a natural look can be more elegant and timeless. Frayed clothing can give the impression of neglect and lack of care. Regularly inspect your wardrobe for any items showing signs of wear and tear. Repair or replace frayed clothes to maintain a polished look. Investing in high-quality clothing can also prevent fraying and prolong the life of your garments. Proper storage, such as using padded hangers and garment bags, can also keep your clothes in good condition. A wardrobe free of frayed items contributes significantly to a classy and sophisticated appearance. Ill-fitting clothes, especially those that are too loose, can detract from your figure and make you appear sloppy. Clothes that fit well enhance your silhouette and give you a more tailored and elegant look. Consider having your clothes tailored to fit your body shape perfectly. When shopping, try on different sizes and styles to find what flatters your body the most. Avoid overly baggy clothes, as they can make you look unkempt. A well-fitted outfit can transform your appearance and boost your confidence. Excessive makeup can overshadow your natural beauty and make you appear less sophisticated. Aim for a balanced look that enhances your features without overwhelming them. Focus on a flawless base with foundation and concealer, subtle eye makeup, and a natural lip color. Less is often more when it comes to makeup. Choose quality products and apply them with a light hand. A refined makeup look can enhance your elegance and allow your natural beauty to shine through. Eyelash extensions can enhance your eyes and give you a glamorous look, but they require regular maintenance. Unmaintained extensions can appear clumpy and unattractive. Regularly visit your technician for fills and follow their care instructions. If you choose to remove them, do so professionally to avoid damaging your natural lashes. Alternatively, consider using high-quality mascara to achieve a similar effect. Well-maintained lashes can accentuate your eyes and contribute to a polished appearance. Accessories can elevate your outfit, but too many can overwhelm your look. Aim for a balanced approach by selecting a few statement pieces rather than wearing all your accessories at once. Choose items that complement your outfit and avoid clashing colors and styles. Quality over quantity is key when it comes to accessories. A few well-chosen pieces can add sophistication and elegance to your look without making it appear cluttered. Using rubber bands in your hair can cause damage and give a careless impression. Opt for hair accessories designed to be gentle on your hair, such as fabric hair ties, clips, and pins. These options not only look more polished but also help maintain the health of your hair. Regularly styling your hair in a neat and intentional way can significantly enhance your overall appearance. Avoid using accessories that look cheap or out of place, and instead, choose items that add to your elegance. Creased clothing can make you appear unkempt and unprofessional. Ironing or steaming your clothes before wearing them is essential for a polished look. Some fabrics are more prone to creasing, so choose your materials wisely, especially for events where you need to look your best. Investing in a good quality iron or steamer and learning how to use it properly can make a significant difference. Well-pressed clothes contribute to a sophisticated and put-together appearance. Body odor can be a significant detractor from your overall elegance. Regular bathing, using deodorant, and wearing clean clothes are essential practices. Choose scents that complement your natural body chemistry and are not overpowering. Pay attention to areas prone to sweating and take extra care to keep them clean and fresh. Oral hygiene is also crucial, as bad breath can be off-putting. A fresh and pleasant scent can significantly enhance your overall appeal and confidence. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.